How did he die? Shot through the heart. You're like testifying.
I get like backup singers. Oh,
You're like testifying. Like
but
like these black beavers. Oh god, I can see it now.
If you manage to successfully search the apartment, you would find that Blue Lagoon paper, and then he would knock you over the head.
Oh, right.
And you'd be sent down to the basement regardless. But if you get drunk first,
yeah, that happens.
It happens in reverse order. So you find a clue last.
Oh, okay.
Mad Jack is suspected of stealing the car I'm looking for.
That's why we chose the most interesting option then.
Yeah. Well, there's no searching in this.
Sick, got the sweats, hands
that
are
works
shaking.
out well because most people would choose the most insane option.
Hey, Cracker! What you doing in there?
Oh.
Just call me
The Rock, is that you?
No, I'm Jaden.
No, man.
Can we talk for a minute?
Yeah?
I'm looking for the owner of a blue Chevrolet Malibu 83. I don't give a damn how the car got here, whether you stole it or not. I just want to know who bought it from you.
Sorry, man. Don't ring a bell. I got a real bad memory for names.
Perhaps I can help you to remember.
If
If we find out that you sold the car to the man we're looking for, you're looking at some pretty solid time inside, Jackie boy.
You trying to scare me with your big talk? I never saw your damn
His head
car.
twitched just now.
Take a walk.
Did you see it?
From a glitch?
No. Oh, well, yeah, from the character model just spazzing.
Oh, okay.
His head just spazzed. Like jerked.
I don't like what he's not Jackie. Alright, so
24 hours. I've got less than 24 hours if I want to find Sean Mars still alive.
now we're going to do some clue hunting.
It's gonna be like the first car he finds.
Hold on.
Is he looking for the car or just clues for the car?
Clues in this garage. Could be anything. No.
Not the car I'm looking for. Gary, comment. Traces of orchid pollen in the air inside the garage.
So,
Size 10. Most likely.
what is weird is that he just lets him investigate.
Yeah, I noticed that as well.
Fingerprints.
Like when
Probably Mad Jack.
he's like, it's time for my hourly yoga practice. I have to go now. You're free to do whatever you want. After I just blatantly threatened you.
Yeah, like he clearly has something to hide.
He's probably going to cover up the tracks or something.
Okay.
I'm assuming you know what you're looking for.
I know what I'm looking for. I'm
You
trying
just-
to reveal the... One of the clues leads to a cutscene, so I'm trying to say that for last.
Traces of blue paint.
Yeah, this is one of the more important ones. Like, there's paint in a car shape, so we can assume that one of the cars was painted, but we don't know what.
Yeah.
Am I?
The same tire tracks, traces of blue paint. Killer's car definitely came through here.
The music just stopped.
Yeah, we got no music. It just cut off.
Size 13. Must be Mad Jack's size.
Okay.
Is it really quiet in the background? Can you hear it?
No, there is no music. That other noise you're hearing is probably from my family doing something, maybe watching the laundry. There is nothing.
Blood. Now why is there blood
What the
here?
hell? Just cut off.
That's crazy.
There should be some sort of music. Definitely we'll be able to see it on playback. Let's hope it kicks back in after another transitional cutscene.
The blood tracks lead to the acid bath.
That's not sus at all.
Yeah. So pretty much the acid bath is the last thing we want to check. But here's the thing, right?
Yeah.
These are bloody footprints and a blood trail, but we can't see them normally. Like you saw how empty the garage looked when we first walked in without the glasses on.
Yeah.
So what is it picking up? Maybe like residue blood?
Yeah, it would be residue. And I'm also assuming that they were being carried.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, the blood trails indicate that these
One of
being
your
carried.
cop buddies asking too many questions.
What a creep.
I had to solder up his little mouth. Hands on your head, pig. I ain't got time to be playing around with you. Let's just get you out of sight and finish you off.
Oh,
Now we got another cutscene.
damn. That's frightening.
At least he's not chucking things that can be fired.
Seriously, people have some terrible aim.
Yeah.
We've had like 3 fight scenes now, and everyone's missed everything that they've fired.
Maybe they're just like,
See, he has like 20 different opportunities to kill this guy,
You're
Yeah,
gonna
and he
tell me
fails
about the
them all.
man with the blue car.
The one time he gets a gun,
Go fuck yourself
he
in the ass.
doesn't mess around. Will you just say what I think you said?
yes.
I've no time to lose, Jack. I wanna know who that car belongs to.
What you want don't mean shit to me. I ain't no snitch. You better just lock me up now, boy.
Impressed.
Gasoline.
Damn! You out of your motherfucking mind, man?
Oh shit, Jack. Ain't nothing to it. Just a little bit of self-defense. Page 1 of the police manual. Kill or be killed.
Whoa. Stop, enough. I'm starting to remember some things.
You're not
be
relevant.
cool. I'll tell you a tale. I don't know nothing
Had
about the
pizza
guy.
last night for dinner.
He wanted me to get rid of
I
that
want
dirty
blue
car.
pants on
A
Tuesday.
new one with false plates. He paid cash, and I ain't the questioning kind. Said I was supposed to drop the word to a guy named Paco down at the Blue Lagoon when the car was done. That's all I know.
We'll continue this discussion down at the station. You're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Anything...
Oh, nah.
Shit, not now.
Nah.
Anything you say can and will be.
Hey,
You look like you got a problem, man.
No.
No, what are you doing?
Yeah.
they letting you dope heads in the FBI now?
Even if you resisted drugs earlier, this thing still happens.
Now I'm gonna
Man.
give you a little help with your drug problem, Mr. 5-0. Permanently.
He wakes up in the acid bath.
Well, this sucks.
Oh my goodness. People are crazy in this game.
Well, they're pretty much villains. Like, you know, Grace isn't crazy.
I wasn't referring to all of them, but like, of all the antagonists we've met,
Yep.
they're all completely fine with killing a human being.
Look at that mad skills.
I know, right?
You just keep the gun up to the back.
That was all planned.
0 out of 10 out of 10. Not 0 out of
0 out of 0.
10. 0 out of 0. It's impossible to happen in the universe of floating space. Oh well.
Wow.
Should have been faster. More please.
Yeah, I knew it. You're such a douche.
He makes it early, his legs get crushed.
That'd be Interesting. If the story could continue, if you flash 1 foot or something.
I know, you either die or you don't. Ready to?
I like how he's fine now, after not taking medication.
Oh yeah, probably the passing out help. Did you just say you bad?
Yeah.
You bad. We bad.
This guy's a tank.
Now he's like losing his shit.
That was dumb.
He just love tapped him and fell down. Almost like
Man, this guy is too angry.
shucks it up. Pile driver! Yeah, it wasn't a pile driver.
Oh, he's gonna make some plays, isn't he? With this tractor. I see it now. What? Yeah.
Yeah, you tried it the first time, there's something wrong. Is he grabbing him by his ears?
You done good.
Nah, I only messed up one. This is the critical one.
Oh no. Oh no! Oh man!
Do you reckon that can happen? It's so slow though.
It was just going. Like,
Oh yeah, it was automatically moving, but it's
Yeah.
so slow. How do you get crushed